You want Addie's hat?
No. I would back up for you guys.
No, back up.
Right, so you want to put this over, right? Ready to pull that out? Okay, so here we go. Close eye, and you want to slide that right over, okay?
Come on, push over. Get up.
We're behind the scenes.
Still more to come. Slide right over, slide, slide. Yeah. Slide. Easy, 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 easy. Nice and easy.
Can't see.
Everything's nice and easy.
Oh, look, they're all over me.
Everything's nice and easy.
Cover everything.
Alright. Now I'm going to pull the queen out. Everything's
Is the
nice.
queen's not out yet?
No, it's in my hand. Nice and easy. Everything's nice, easy motions. Put a piece of wood on this. Don't crush any bees. Do not crush any bees. No, 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 no.
I'll just hold it. I'll just hold it.
Do not crush any bees. Once you crush a bee, they start sending pheromones and they're all pissed off.
I've never had bees all over me just like that. That's wild. Look at that. That was big.
That's a drone. That is a drone. Look how big that drone is.
Yeah.
That's a drone. That's a male right there. That's a boy. Okay. There's our queen.
Inside?
She's inside.
You have to take her out?
Yes, I have to move a piece of candy to get her out. So this is a capper here.
Yeah.
Make sure if she flies out, I'm screwed.
Well, what do you do with her?
Okay, there's my piece of candy.
Then you have to put her in first?
Yes. Okay. So. Look at this, she's got candy on her head. Oh no, I'm sorry, she's a marked queen.
She's marked.
Look,
Look, the bees are all gonna
she's a
get
marked.
nervous if you
She's marked.
take her away. I see. I see.
What does that mean, Mark Queen?
She's got a white dot on her
Dot
head.
on her.
Oh, so some company do that.
Patty, can I see the queen?
Come on.
Just go up to him. Look.
Addie, come here, look at the queen.
She's got a dot on her. Like
She's got a
at the
dot on
fair.
her, way down on her head.
He's angry.
She's not angry. Bees aren't angry.
All right, put her in. Bees are gonna get nervous.
So, you take her out of that thing? Nope. Crazy?
Yeah, that's what it's like.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna suspend her right here.
Okay. Now, how soon do you get
So 2 honey flows in New England, June and August, or June and September.
so it takes what, 2 months?
No, yeah, no, yeah, 2 months.
Now, how much honey do you get from these bags?
50 pounds. You can get 100 pounds a year, I think, even more.
Jar.
Yeah.
Probably a pound jar in a couple of months, right?
So,
You ever take her out of that?
yeah, yeah. So what's gonna happen is the bees are gonna eat through the candy.
Oh, okay. And then she's good to go. She's happy this girl stay.
Yes, the story of life.
is not happy to take off.
Lady, you
Doesn't matter if it's the bee world or the human world.
Look at all the bees in the feeder.
Yeah. Yeah, they're not really going anywhere.
No, they don't. They're not aggressive. No, they're not.
No, but they all want to stay by the queen and by the food over there.
Another drone. Look at the size of that one.
Oh, jeez, yeah.
Big.
Big male parts. He eats them and then he dies. It's true.
Oh, I know.
That's all they're good for.
Okay.
No, look at that. They all find the queen.
So, you'll watch these guys start to fan. Now, see how he's fanning?
Yeah.
They'll fan the queen's pheromone around.
Plus it's cold, right? They're trying to keep her warm.
No, they will once they get inside.
Yeah, actually, you're right.
Yeah, the pin isn't, but she is.
It has to be perfect.
Well, I have to.
Sorry.
That's not so bad, right?
No.
Okay.
First time.
Here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to poke a hole in the candy and also erode some of the candy away, so we don't have such a hard time eating all the way through.
Well, I'm
Is that-
sure
is
they
that-
know,
is
I'm
that
sure the
direction
right
side?
candy's in there. I just let it be.
I am, but I'm gonna. What you do is you poke through it.
That's what the direction side?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You erode it. Give the bees a little head start.
So just not big enough for them to get through, but to give them an idea of where to start poking at.
Yeah, I think.
Put a little at the entrance so you guys get something to eat. Now's the fun part.
Oh, I do.
I've never seen this before. This is interesting. Just that one slapped him upside the head.
Must have been a male.
Is that so funny how Stevie picked the drone right out? Look at that fat bastard. Oh yeah, that's a male. Alright, you guys.
The queen's in there.
those there, Matt.
Can't really see.
They'll go. They'll make it.
Put those in first.
No, they'll find it.
Oh, I know. The other ones will just find their way in.
Oh. Yeah, there's a bunch in there.
Clump of bees just fell on the ground. That's
Okay,
the
so
here.
here's what we're doing. Good. What do you need me to do?
Be a good spectator.
Oh, that opens up.
The cardboard is gonna fly off.
Alright, this is when you guys are going to have to back up because I'm going to dump the bee first. Okay.
I feel like we need something like the theme to 2001: A Space Odyssey. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god.
Here we go. Here's the dump.
Here we go.
Watch the dump.
Like this one. Quite close enough. You want to put that in there, right? That's what I mean.
Yeah.
No, the ones on this side be able to get out and go over there. Well, the ones will go over there. I mean, if the ones over here will go over there.
Oh jeez. That's a nice gust.
Nervous at the top.
So I imagine we're fucking with it.
Look at them all down there,
Yep.
already at the entrance.
Yep. They already found the entrance map. Trying to get in or out?
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, they're going in. Look at that.
Got a couple pieces over there.
Maybe they got them down at Pizza Hut if they're going in and out.
There's about the queen, about the sea.
Right, you know there's a ton of bees on
That's it, we're done. I need water. I need more water.
So these guys will find their way in. Or you'll find them.